Hello, good evening. I'm Patrick from Berlin, Germany. Happy holidays. I'm at the Botanical Garden here in Berlin, and they have the show called Winter Garden, and I will take you along. And I'm here with my friends, and they will join me on this trip. Come with me. It has 22,000 different plants, which you can see. It's obviously nicer in the summer when everything is in full bloom, but at least in the winter you see some plants obviously, and you can see this light spectacle which is always going in December until the beginning of January. A very nice park here. It's called Christmas Garden. It's always in December until the beginning of January. You walk about 2 kilometers. This is like what they do through the park here. You see several different kind of areas with different lights. It's a very nice park. So it is at the Botanical Garden in Berlin, which was opened officially in 1899. And even though the roots of this garden come, according to the history books, already opened in 1573, so 450 years old. booth is where you can have mulled wine, drinks, sweets, and food items. So it's worth a visit here in Berlin to do what you can do in the wintertime. So enjoy the lights, enjoy the view. Thanks for joining us here at the Christmas garden at the Botanic Garden here in Berlin. It was really nice. Don't forget to like and subscribe.